god! How many times does this happen? Stop making this high pitch and stop changing colors. Are you the stuff? Make absolutely everything back green. Let's do take number 2 seriously. Ultra cut. Why putting this in reverse? Why? Seriously, why? Forget it. It's time for take number 3, you. Dot. How many times do I'm supposed to say this? Don't flip the image. Are you that blind, that deaf? Come on, next take. Take 4. G-R-R-R-R-R-R-R-R-R-R-R. How many times do I'm supposed to say this? Don't change this roll pick and don't change colors. Stop doing that, please and thank you. Take number 5. Alright, cut again. Why should it go to the ship island? You're not supposed to be like that. Alright, this can be the final take. But if you mess it up, we're done. If you will never come back for the rest of the month. Alright, take number 6. Perfect. Take.